Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious and easy Alfredo sauce from scratch using milk. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and 2 cups of whole milk. Don't forget 1 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, a pinch of nutmeg, and salt and pepper to taste. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's start building that creamy base. Begin by melting 1/4 cup of unsalted butter in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, add your 2 minced garlic cloves and sauté them for about 1 minute until they become wonderfully fragrant. Be careful not to brown the garlic. Next, slowly whisk in 2 cups of whole milk, stirring constantly to prevent any lumps and create a smooth foundation. As your milk mixture warms, bring it to a gentle simmer, stirring frequently to prevent scorching. Once simmering, reduce heat to low. Now for the magic. Gradually stir in 1 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese until fully melted and incorporated, making the sauce thick and luxurious. Finish by seasoning with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a small pinch of nutmeg for depth of flavor. Your homemade Alfredo sauce is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it immediately over your favorite hot pasta, like fettuccine or penne. For an extra touch, garnish with some fresh chopped parsley or a sprinkle of additional Parmesan cheese. This easy method delivers a rich, creamy sauce every time. Remember to check the description for the link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.